It's got a good burp in there. Oh, you like wide awake now. Who's that? Who's that? Oh, I just gotta kiss those cheeks. Anything?
Texas isn't like other places. At Texas Car Title and Payday Loans, we get them. So if you own your car,
My arm's tired now.